online tutorial, speedscenewiring.com. Today we're going to build an idler control valve connector / ignition coil connector. This can be found on the throttle body injected engines. It can also be found on the LT1 engines. It's a very common connector. We're going to be using basic hand tools, dikes, crimp tool that can be purchased on our store online at speedscenewiring.com. We have an alphabetical index that we're going to be working with on the keyways A, B, C, D, and E keyway positions for the terminals, and then strippers. Start by placing all 4 wires through the body of the connector. Pull them and give yourself enough room to work with. We're just going to crimp the terminal straight onto the wire. Strip back about 1/8 of an inch of insulation. This is a 22 gauge wire that we're working with. We're going to go ahead and place our terminal straight on here. Start in D. Start with D, crimp down, go to E, D, and E of the terminal again, the terminal tool. Repeat the step 4 times. D, E, take into D, E, and same thing again. D, E, D, and E. D, and E. D, and E once again. 5-pound pull test on every one of these. Slide down, lock in place with the keyway, lining up so. And you're finished.